Important question. Okay. So we are having now, we can write it integration of dx upon sin x plus 2 sin x cos x. Then sin x 1 plus 2 cos x. Now here we are just using a technique. Okay. Now multiplying and dividing by sin x. Now what we are getting? Sin x dx upon sin square x 1 plus 2 cos x. Is it clear? Now this becomes integration of sin x dx upon 1 minus cos square x 1 plus 2 cos x. Now let cos x is equal to t. So differentiating with respect to x, what we are getting? Minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Now the question converts to negative integration of dt upon 1 minus t square upon 1 plus 2t, and further negative dt upon 1 minus t, 1 plus t and 1 plus 2t. Now 1 upon 1 minus t, 1 plus t and 1 plus 2t is equal to a upon 1 minus t plus b upon 1 plus t plus c upon 1 plus 2t. Is it clear? One is equal to, now I have not taken this negative of 1. Okay, I am just taking dt as a 1. Now 1 is equal to 1 is equal to a with 1 plus t and 1 plus 2t plus b with 1 minus t 1 plus 2t, 1 minus t 1 plus 2t and plus c with 1 minus t 1 plus t. Is it clear? Now putting t is equal to now 1, t is equal to minus 1 and t is equal to minus 1 by 2. 1 plus 2t is equal to 0, t is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now when we are putting t is equal to 1, then we are getting a is equal to 1 by 6. When we are putting t is equal to minus 1, we will be getting b is equal to minus 1 by 2, and when you are putting t is equal to minus 1 by 2, then we are getting c is equal to 4 by 3. Is it alright? I have already solved this part. Now the question becomes now our integration of, now this part we are having integration for a is what, 1 by 6, negative, that is minus is here, okay, negative part with 1 by 6 integration of dt upon 1 minus t, dt upon 1 minus t, plus b is minus 1 by 2. So I am writing directly minus 1 by 2 dt upon 1 plus t, plus 4 by 3 dt upon 1 plus 2t. This one. Okay. Now what we are getting? Minus 1 by 6 log mod of 1 minus t upon minus 1. So this becomes positive. Okay. Plus 1 by 2 log mod of 1 plus t minus 4 by 3 log 1 plus 2t upon 2 plus c. Now what we are having? This becomes 1 upon 6 log 1 minus t plus half log 1 plus t minus 2 by 3 log 1 plus 2t plus c. To this part now, finally what we are having? 1 upon 6 log 1 minus t was what? Cos x. 1 minus cos x plus half log 1 plus cos x minus 2 by 3 log 1 plus 2 cos x plus c. This is the answer.